Hello, my friend. Welcome to my blog. So, right now, I am going to my field. So, this field actually is another direction of our home. So, I can say this field is 500 meter far from our home. So, I am going to that field to look after our field because these days, so many stray animal like ox and cow they actually come to our fields, okay, and they destroy our wheat crop. Actually, 1 week ago, me and my father we have installed Fancy around our field. So now we can say we have protected our field with Fancy. But in spite of this, I have to see whether these animals are here or not. Because that animal, ox, very big bulls. So they can lift, you can say they can break that Fancy with their horn. Their horns are so strong. So here is that is the field. There's total areas. You can see the in camera that total areas that belongs to our villagers. So here I we have only one field. That field actually start from there and end like there. Okay. So that field is our uncle's field. So you can see here we have installed Fancy. That is Fancy. Okay, yeah, you can see. So me and my father, we both one day we actually came and we worked like 3-4 hours and installed that Fancy. So now our wheat crop is safe. Means that stray animal like ox, cow, they can't enter in our field. They can't break that Fancy because that Fancy, you can see that is very sharp thorn in Fancy. So that thorn actually, when ox will try to enter our field and they actually try to lift that Fancy, break that Fancy, so that thorn actually cause a pain in their body. So that is the thing. So that is our uncle. I think in our uncle field, I think they have grazed wheat crop. Yes, they have grazed all wheat crop in our uncle field. But our field is protected. You can see here that is the jungle, not jungle, but we can say abundant place. That is all abundant place, grass field. We can say. So my friend, you actually students think that English is very tough. We can't speak English. This is very tough language, and but I want to say one thing: English is not a tough, but we have to make consistency. Consistency is very important in every field. Like if you are doing business, if you are studying, okay. So consistency is important. If you continuously keep working that work, then one day you will definitely master in that work. So same happens with English speaking. So actually I studied in Hindi medium like till 10th class, okay. We had only English subject, okay. Of course that subject in English, but all other subjects, okay, that used to be in Hindi language. So beside mathematics, okay. But after in plus 2, actually I got admission in vocational course. So I actually had all computer related subject. So computer related subjects are always in English language, okay. So that English is not just like a speaking type of English. That English is just like a studying type of English, okay. But in plus 2, in plus 1 and plus 2, I gave exam in English medium, Okay, so that time it was very difficult for me to remember the answer of questions. Okay, because everything was in English. So, but because computer, actually, that vocational course, that was my dream to had that vocational course in plus 2 1 and plus 2. So that's why actually i I studied. Okay, and I practiced a lot about remembering English answer. Okay, and pronunciations. Okay, and remembering all the uh, words, English word. Okay, and then graduation, I had option, like actually I had economic subject. So that was the option for me, like if I could give exam in Hindi language, yeah, English language. But actually I choose that time both language to give the exam, Hindi and English both. But English and computer subjects were also in graduation. So that time, like in graduation, so that time in graduation I started I started studying. Okay, and reading and listening English. But that time, me, actually, I didn't care about speaking. So I started getting used to listening, speaking, not speaking, used to listening and studying, reading English after like plus two. Okay, so slowly, I used to it. But in after graduation, when I was in Chandigarh, okay, so that time I didn't have such kind of mobile. Okay, we had only that Nokia black and white, no, phone, not Android phone. So offline, actually I joined offline English classes in Chandigarh. So I joined that classes for 3 months. So within 3 months, I could say, actually I started speaking, okay, with my friends. Okay, and I started and having conversation with friends. But after 3 months, when the period of course ended, the period of that course ended. So after 3 months, uh, I left practicing. Okay, but these days we have camera, we have mobile, Android phone. So we can speak English these days very easily, because you can you can film yourself while speaking. Okay, and you can also speak in front of camera and also in front of mirror. So that is the good thing. These days we have so many source to practice English. 10 years, 8 or 9 years ago, we didn't have so much source to speak English, to practice English. So my friend, I want to say one thing, that if you want to start English, then first don't don't go straight with practice. Okay, first know about little bit grammar, tense, and listen. First listen properly, listen and understand. You can watch movie, English TV, okay, channel. So listen and understand how they can, how they are speaking. Okay, so grab their method, how they speak. Then slowly start speaking practice. Then you will definitely start speaking one day.